welcome back to the shed. We're going to have another easy guitar song to learn today. This one is a Metallica song. I've got to say, Metallica does not fit into my wheelhouse as much as I like to listen to them. As a player goes, I'm not a metal player, I'm a blues rock player, but I thought this one would be nice and simple. It's only got 4 or 5 chords in it, and it gets you moving around the fretboard and it'll get your chords changing nice and quickly. So what we're going to look at is Nothing Else Matters, and it's in a 6/8 time, so it's ever so slightly different. So it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so I hope that part in itself makes a little bit of sense. As for the music theory, don't ask me whether they're quarter notes or what it is. As I say, I'm a blues rock player, we don't do music theory. So we're going to start off with a nice E minor chord. Yeah, and then from the E minor, there's a count of 6 on that. And then it's going to go to the D for a 3 count, and then to the C. Yeah, so effectively what you've got is you've got a whole bar of E minor, and then you've got a half bar of D, and then a half bar of C. Yeah. And it does it again. Does it a 3rd time. Yeah, and then from there it's going to go to the G. Several different ways of playing the G chord. Yeah. If you notice, I play it with my pinky finger, my middle finger and my ring finger, as opposed to playing it that way around. Yeah. I do that because I just find it easier to get to any of the other chords, especially to the C. Yeah, just find it easier to get to any of the other chords from that position. You will every now and again see me play it with my little finger on the 3rd fret of the high E, my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, my middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string, and then my 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Yeah, every now and again I'll play that one, but for this one I'm just going to play that little finger, 3rd fret of the high E, ring finger, 3rd fret of the low E, and then the middle finger, 2nd fret of the G. Yeah, of the A string, sorry. So yeah, so anyway, I digress. So we've gone through the E minor, D, C, E minor, D, C. Now we've got to this G. So we've got G for a half bar, and then we've got a B7. Yeah, for those of you that aren't familiar, middle finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 1st finger, 1st fret of the D string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, or your ring finger, 2nd fret of the G string, and the pinky finger, 2nd fret of the high E string. Yeah, so that's a half bar there, and then it's the E minor. Okay, so let me play that through from the beginning. Repeats that. I think the song, like I say, I'm not 100% familiar with the song, but I think it repeats that 3 times, and at the end of the third verse, yeah, Yeah, it goes from, let me get this right now. Goes to E minor, and then it goes to a C, and then an A. Yeah, and then it goes to a D. C, A, D, C, A, D, and then E minor. Yeah, and then it goes back into the verse again. Okay, so I'll play it all through for you, just up to the end of that first chorus, and then we'll leave you to it to be able to work it out from there on your own. It does get heavier. We will do another lesson another time on the on the lead line for the intro. But for now, we'll just look at the basic chords, and we'll have some fun with it. Okay, so I'll play this through, and we'll see how we go. Back into the verse again to start again. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you're going to get a little bit out of it. See you again soon. Bye bye.